Okay, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ngayon po ay May 11, 2020. Ito po si JP Sarmiento ng Sarmiento Immigration Law Firm. So para po sa aming success story posting para sa araw na to, isa po siyang EB3 I-140 petition, employment-based, na final namin na yung petitioner ay isang plastic manufacturing company sa Solon, Ohio. Tapos yung beneficiary naman po ay isang Nigerian na project engineer. So, itong kliyente namin ito, nagsimula siya nung hinire niya po kami para mag-file ng perm labor certification. So, itong beneficiary, meron siyang bachelor's degree sa chemical engineering sa Cleveland State University. And so, yun. So, kami yung namahala dun sa perm labor certification. At yun, yung ginawa namin yung prevailing wage request ng Feb 20, 2019. Tapos nung nakuha namin yun, we proceeded with the advertisement tsaka yung state job posting. And then eventually, nung tama na yung timing, final namin yung labor certification ng September 3, 2019. Tapos nun, September, October, November, December. Three and a half months later, nung December 18, 2019, yung perm labor certification ay na-approve. Tapos sinabi namin yung kliyente namin at hinire din kami para dun sa I-140 EB3 petition. So yung I-140 EB3 petition, final po namin siya noong December 30, 2019. Medyo nagmadali yung kliyente kasi nung that time, current po yung priority dates nung EB3 for Nigerians. Nandun po siya sa other country category. Yung kagandahan po nun ay mapa-file mo kagad yung green card application. Hindi mo na kailangan hintayin yung priority dates maging current for many months. And so, final na rin namin yung 485 nun. Eventually, nakuha niya yung work permit noong March 9, 2020. Yung I-140 naman, na-approve siya noong April 27, 2020. So, about 2 weeks ago. So, gano'ng katagal siya naging pending. Regular processing lang po yung ginawa namin. So, January, February, March, April. So, almost 4 months. December 30, it was filed. April 27, na-approved yung I-140 EB3. So, kung may tanong po kayo sa something related sa labor certifications or I-140 petitions, tawag na po kayo, 216-573-3712. You can also email me at jp@sarmientoimmigration.com. Again, si JP Sarmiento po to ng Sarmiento Immigration Law Firm. Libre po consultations namin. Salamat po.